Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make calls sound louder on iPhone. The first thing you want to do is go into Settings, and from here you are going to tap on Sounds and Haptics, and right where you see Change Width buttons, you are going to toggle that on. Now whenever you're on a call, you'll simply use the volume button at the side of your phone and you can simply turn it up. If that doesn't work, the other thing that I would also recommend that you do is you're going to come back into Settings and you're going to scroll down and select Accessibility. Once in Accessibility, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Audio/Visual. From here, you are going to see Phone Noise Cancellation. You want to ensure that it is turned off. As you can see on my device right here, it is currently off. You want to ensure that it is turned off. If it is and it is still not working, the other thing that I would recommend you do is clean the speaker slot, and you can do that with a toothbrush. With an old toothbrush you can do that. The other thing that you could also do is you can turn on and off your Bluetooth, as some of the time that is what is causing the problem. So you could simply toggle on and off your Bluetooth and see if that works. And the other thing that I would also recommend that you do while on your call, you can simply put it on speaker mode, turn on and off speaker mode. And if none of that works, the other thing that you are going to have to do is come into Settings, scroll down and select General. Then you're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, you're going to tap on Reset. Then you're going to tap on Reset All Settings. Hope one of these were able to help. If it did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.